just so you can see what everything looks like today. But look at that. Oh my God, this is so freaking cool. All right, so I'm coming in here so that you can see all the hard work that was done yesterday. Look at that. This stuff looks amazing. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go down and then come back up. Yeah, look at that. Oh, Sean, the rain is really, really light today. So everything is just sort of getting tamped down nice and easily. Look at that. Oh, all that work we did yesterday, Sean. Well, you did most of this, but so worth it. It's just a little bit of drizzle out here today, but you can see how everything came out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, look at that. This is so cool. Really, really cool. And then we'll go back out. We'll have to dig this out. This is where the crawl space is going to go in. But I just wanted to get everything. Man, oh man, oh man. You could really, really see the house. Like I can see it. This is the front. Oh, look at that. There we go. And then I still want to do what it looks like from the front. Looks so good. Oh my, oh my. Our bushes are growing, growing.